Hello and welcome to our show. My name is Kevin and I'm Stacy. Well, today the two of us decided to go to this new restaurant. It recently opened and we were kind of curious, so we went in and we ate the food. The food was really good. I was really impressed. I was shocked. It was really good. Yeah. So the server asked us if we wanted dessert, and we thought about it, and then we decided to refrain because we could come home and we could make something ourselves, something a little bit different. So we came home, and Stacy had the idea that I thought was perfect. It was to bake. It only took 10 minutes, such a short amount of time, and they're great. They're blueberry yogurt cookies. Yeah, it was quick, and I thought it was perfect for people who have children. They could sell it maybe a bake sale. You could have it and bring it to your high school classroom or college classroom and give out little treats for everyone. So we made it now. Two of us can't eat the whole plate. So I plan on bringing to my work tomorrow for all of my coworkers. Yes, so you all, you should go ahead and try this. It takes 10 minutes. It's easy. The ingredients will be listed and it's right there. Thank you for sharing your idea with everyone. Not a problem. You take care, everyone. Enjoy. Good night.